Here we will write a Python program to create two sets and perform union and intersection operations on it. So in comment line, first we'll write. First we'll define two sets. So set 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements for set 1, and we'll define another set, set 2, in which we'll store 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before performing any operation, we'll print original sets and we'll print set 1 and set 2. Then first we'll perform union operation on these two sets. We can create union of sets using two methods. First, using by union method. So set 3 equal to set dot union set 1 comma set 2, and set 4 equal to set 1, then we'll use union operator and set 2, and then we'll print set 3 and set 4. Then we'll perform intersection operation. We can perform intersection operation on set using two methods. One is set 3 equal to set dot intersection set 1 comma set 2, and another method is set 4 equal to set 1. We will use here intersection operator set 2, and again we will print set 3 and set 4. Then we will execute this. Here it will print original sets as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second set is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Union operation combines both these two sets, so it will print from 1 to 10, and intersection operation gives common elements from these two sets, so it will print 5.